How to write a better job posting with AI. If you've ever posted a job and gotten flooded with the wrong applications, or none at all from qualified candidates, your posting is probably the problem. Vague listings pull in the wrong people, and bad hires cost small businesses real money in salary, training, lost productivity, and starting over. AI can help you write better postings faster, but there's a right way and a wrong way to use it. Where most people go wrong. Most people open ChatGPT, type, "Write me a job posting for a manager," and paste the result directly online. Then they wonder why applications are all wrong. The output was generic because the input was generic. AI is only as good as what you give it. Before opening any AI tool, spend 5 minutes answering a few basic questions. What does this person actually do on a typical day? What's the one skill they need on day one? What kind of person would be a terrible fit? Is it full-time, part-time, in-person, remote? What's the pay range? Be honest about pay. Candidates filter by it, and leaving it out wastes everyone's time. Write your answers in plain, messy language. That raw input makes your AI posting sound like a real business, not an HR department. Craft a strong prompt. There's a big difference between weak and strong prompts. Instead of "write a job posting for a customer service rep," try "write a job posting for a part-time customer service rep at a small plumbing company. 25 hours a week, in office." The person answers phones, schedules appointments, handles complaints, and follows up on unpaid invoices. They need to be comfortable with conflict and genuinely enjoy talking to people. Pay is $18 to $22 per hour. Write in a friendly but direct tone, no corporate fluff. Keep it under 400 words. That version gives AI real context, like briefing a freelancer. More detail up front means less back and forth later. Edit it back into your voice. Don't copy-paste the draft directly. Read it out loud. Does it sound like you? AI defaults to polished but bland. Look for 3 things when editing. 1. Cut generic phrases like fast-paced environment, team player, and strong communication skills. They mean nothing. 2. Add back specifics AI doesn't know, what software they'll use, who they report to, what their first week looks like. 3. Make sure your voice is there. If you're laid back, the posting should feel casual. If you run a tight operation, say that plainly. Example. Instead of "motivated self-starter," write, "We start at 6:30 in the morning, and you need to be okay with that from day one." Suddenly wrong applicants filter themselves out fast. Check for legal issues. Ask AI to review your posting for language that could unintentionally discourage applicants or create legal problems. Prompt. Review this job posting for any language that might unintentionally discriminate based on age, gender, or disability. Flag anything legally risky. AI often catches things like looking for a young, energetic person or unnecessary physical requirements. This helps you reach more qualified candidates and avoid headaches. Honest limitation: AI is not a lawyer. For sensitive roles or regulated industries, have an employment attorney review it before posting. Adapt for different platforms. Once your main posting is solid, AI can adapt it for different platforms. A LinkedIn post reads differently than a Facebook community group post. Prompt it to create shorter, more casual versions, under 150 words, written like a real person. You write it once and get multiple versions in minutes, each appropriate for the platform. Tool recommendation. ChatGPT is a solid starting point. The free version handles job postings well. It can be wordy, so tell it to cut length and punch it up. Claude sounds more natural out of the box with less editing. Both have free tiers that work well for this task. The bottom line. A bad hire usually starts with a vague posting. AI doesn't fix that automatically, but if you give it the right input, use it to draft and edit it back into your own voice, it genuinely helps you create better listings faster. The tool does the heavy lifting. You just have to make sure the right information goes in first.